my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan! Woo!
Pero wala ka na naman at di ko maintindihan kung wala nang ganog ng magpaasa dahil ako'y nasasaktan. Ginagawa mo akong lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do, lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single ladies over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy eligible bachelors one by one. So, kung napupusuan niyo ang ating sexy single, feeling niyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling niyo hindi kayo mag-vibe or hindi kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! All right, here comes our first sexy single. Hi. Hello, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Charles, 30 years old,
Okay, and ano namang job mo or what do you do for a living?
systems engineer.
Okay, and how about your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
For fun, food trips, ganyan. Tapos road trips.
Okay,
And motorcycle, ganyan, minsan.
all right. And how about sa isang ideal partner? Anong hanap mo? Personality or physical?
Sa akin, more on personality. Kasi hindi naman ako yung masyadong,
Okay, go ahead.
hindi naman ako yung masyadong, sa
Sa physical.
Physical.
Okay, anong klaseng personality ang hanap mo?
gusto ko yung masayahin, yung ganyan, good vibes.
Okay.
Futuristic ang kanyang approach.
All right. How about mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Sa akin, tamad.
Tamad. Okay.
Yung sense ng hygiene, parang hindi Tapos yung medyo rude dun sa, kunwari, blue collar jobs, ganyan.
Okay. All right. So, right now, meron mga ilang nag-pop ng balloon. So, let's just go over here and ask them kung bakit sila nag-pop. Okay? Let's start over here. Hi. So, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Hi, my name is Kath, and I'm 25 years old, and I am a paralegal.
Okay. And bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Sa height kasi, maliit na ako eh. So, ayun.
It's okay.
Yun lang naman.
Okay. Are you looking for someone na taller or someone na shorter?
Actually, shorter na. No, taller po.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya? Kung, if not for the height?
Yeah, why not? Yes po.
And how about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
I'll go out with her.
Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, sayang. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm 25 years old and I'm a dentistry student.
Okay, and bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Same with ate kanina. I like guys who are taller. Yes, since I'm short.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
I don't think that parang we're gonna vibe. Parang kasi, sorry kuya, but parang he looks older though he is. Kasi he's 30 po, tama? Oh, yeah.
So, too mature for you.
Yeah, opo. Feeling ko nasa sila, marrying age.
Alright, and how about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes. Medyo maganda yung smile niya. Maganda yung smile niya.
Yung age niya, okay naman sa'yo? Like, within your age range naman ba siya?
Okay, 25. It's okay.
Okay, alright. Pero final ka na dun sa decision mo?
Yes po.
I'm Zinzi. I'm 23 years old and I'm a working student.
Bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Siguro sa height kasi medyo gusto ko po yung mas matangkad sa akin. Yeah.
And how about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, she got a good smile.
Oh. Okay.
Good eyes. Yan.
Okay, pero final ka na sa decision mo?
Yes pa.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop, just based on what you're seeing right now. Oh. Okay, all right, let's start over here. Oh, okay. All right, so I'll start with you.
Hi, I'm Mao. I'm 28 and I work in a brand and marketing manager.
Okay. And bakit hindi ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
I think I'm just waiting for something like answer niya. Though I don't want to judge, and then I was thinking nung medyo lumalapit na siya, I just also want to pop because of the height as well. But then I gave the benefit of the doubt too. Maybe the answer was kind of like good. So
Alright, and how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Siguro yung personal preference tapos yung vibe.
What kind of personal preference? Ano ba yung nakikita mo sa kanya that doesn't fit your preference?
Parang parang di lang talaga vibe, parang yung personal, yung
Even if you haven't spoken yet, na-feel mo lang yung vibe
Parang-
is hindi magiging romantic or
yes.
something. Do you have any response to that?
not really. I think if vibe check, I would agree. Yeah. So yeah, good choice.
Hi, I'm Tans. I'm 32 years old. I'm working as a freelance virtual assistant.
Okay, and bakit di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
For me kasi gusto ko muna siyang makilala. But I was about to pop na rin. Pero since bago pa lang naman or starting pa lang. So yeah, I just wanted to know him more.
If you were going to pop, ano yung reason?
I think sa vibe na din. And then sa height. So parang same same level din tayo. Though wala naman akong personal preferences. It's just maybe the vibe.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
yun nga siguro yung vibe din. Parang wala yung yung oomph pa.
Yung oomph na pag nakita mo,
yung
pwede
parang-
ko siyang i-date or gano'n. Alright. Do you have any response to that?
Mayroon pala tayong mutual thinking eh. So yeah. Pero I'm okay with it.
Okay, and may nag-pop ng balloon over here.
Hi, you can call me Isa. I'm 27 years old and my work is I'm an admin assistant.
Okay, and bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
At first, I didn't want to pop my balloon kasi I wanted to like feel muna how he talks, how he's like, if we're vibing. Kaso lang, naaalala ko tito ko sa kanya eh. So, di ko ma-imagine dating my tito. So, yun na. Pero I like his smile. I like his glasses. I appreciate na nagdamit ka talaga for today, di ba?
And do you have any response to that?
Okay lang na.
Okay na. Okay lang na tito yung nakita niyang vibe sa'yo.
Yun nga, ay, pag tita parang hindi ako eh.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, I'll go date with her.
Okay, sayang. Stat ka na sa choice mo because na-remind ka of your tito.
Opo.
And then we also have another pop balloon. Hello, so welcome back to the show. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Hello, I'm Judith, but you can call me JD. I am a RPA developer and I'm 33 years old.
So bakit ka bigla nag-pop?
Yung vibe din niya and then yung seryoso na ako eh. Tapos yung itsura niya, mukha din siyang seryosong tao. Parang hindi kami magkakasundo ba? Feeling ko lagi kami mag-aaway pag ganun. Feeling ko lang ah.
Do you have any response to that? Do you agree?
Siguro hindi naman, pag sa una kasi medyo mahihain ako eh.
Okay, pero after a while, pag nag-warm
After a
up
while.
na, lumalabas naman yung
Parang
ano mo.
diesel.
Diesel, okay.
Parang mag-warm
Pero,
up eh.
so hindi ka naman talaga seryoso, may fun side ka naman.
May funny side din.
Sayang. Set ka na talaga doon.
Opo. Nice meeting you. By the way.
Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Yes. She has a nice smile.
Alright, well thank you so much.
I'm Jaya. I'm 31 years old. I work in a BPO company.
And bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Nung palapit na po siya, ayun, naisip ko na pong ipop because of the height. I like the way you smile, yung forma. I appreciate it, but yun nga, medyo, hindi pa po ako nakakapag-date din ng medyo mas smaller pa po sa akin. So,
Baka pwedeng first time today.
hindi ako. Preference po talaga is medyo
Do you have any response to that?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Di naman
Okay,
ako-
pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes. Ganda ng eyes niya.
Oh,
Sun
okay.
goals.
So set ka na dun sa decision mo? So unfortunately, wala tayong match for today. But thank you so much for joining and I hope you can join us again sa mga next episodes namin. Thank you! Here comes our next sexy single! Hi! Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Cyril, and I'm 30 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm executive assistant on Department of Health. Yes.
Okay. Ano naman mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I take photographs, edit videos, travel, everything.
Okay, and ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality or physical?
More on like strong, independent woman.
A strong, independent woman?
Yes.
Okay, and ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro yung pagiging narcissist. Yeah.
Ayaw mo ng narcissists?
Nah, super red flag.
Alright. So right now, wala pang nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. I would like you to choose, just based on what you're seeing right now. Never mind. Nauna na sila. Okay, so let's go over there and find out kung bakit sila nag-pop ng balloon.
I'm Zinzi. I'm 23 years old and working student.
And bakit ka nag-pop bigla ng balloon?
If I'm not mistaken, yung age na like 30 plus.
30.
30.
30 flat.
I think hindi po siya for me kasi marrying age na po kasi siya, like yung 30. And as someone na nag-aaral pa and planning to further my studies, I don't think mag-aano siya.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
He looks nice, cute, and parang well-spoken naman. Yeah.
Okay. And how about on your end? Do you agree sa sinasabi niya na marrying age ka na ba? Are you really looking to settle down already or exploring pa rin naman?
Di naman ako nagmamadali. Pero kung hindi niya talaga standard yung ganun na edad, that's okay for me.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya? Kung hindi siya nag-pop?
Maganda naman siya.
Maganda siya. Oh. Ano, final na on that decision?
Yes po.
Hi, I'm Judith, but you can call me JD, and I am a RPA developer and a secretary.
So, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
He looks so smarty guy. I feel he looks so genius. That's why.
Ayaw mo ng genius na look or smarty guy, as you're saying?
Hindi, mukha kasi siyang seryoso masyado. Feeling ko hindi rin kami magkaka-vibe ganun.
Ano, agree ka ba sa sinasabi niya? Serious ka ba talaga or
Medyo serious, pero kung makikilala mo naman ako, hindi.
Okay, so sa una lang.
Sa una lang. Siguro sa
Okay.
looks ko lang. Ayan.
Agree ka ba dun sa smarty guy genius look mo?
Medyo nerd ako. Pero
Okay.
kasi parang kasama na din dapat yun, di ba? So parang hindi pwede ang lalaki is ganito lang. Kailangan meron din kaming utak, di ba? So kailangan may knowledge kami, ganun.
If not for her popping her balloon, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Oh, okay din. Maganda si ma'am. Oh, maganda.
Si ma'am.
Maganda. Sorry na, ma'am na.
You got mammed. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Well, final ka na dun sa decision mo, ma'am. Opo. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So just based on what you're seeing right now, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Balloons.
Yes.
Ano?
Okay. All right. So let's start over here.
Hi, my name is Kath, and I'm 25 years old, and I'm a paralegal.
And bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Okay naman siya based sa mga sagot niya. Ayoko din kasi ng narcissist. So, medyo nagtugma kami doon.
So type mo naman sana siya.
Yes po.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Siguro yung height. Yun.
okay.
So parang ako gusto ko kasi medyo kahit ko lang din. Ganun.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
ayun, sorry.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman po. I understand.
My name is Jaya. I'm 31 years old. I work in a BPO company.
And ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Wala pa naman ako nakikitang reason para i-pop. Although medyo very basic yung strong, independent woman na answer niya sa hinahanap niya. So, ayun. Taghanap pa ako ng mga reasons.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah. Iskit naman po.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Di ka naman ginajudge yung physically mo. Pero you look mas mature sa akin. Kasi kahit 30 ako, mukha pa rin akong bata eh. So, medyo parang i-fit ko lang din yung panlabasan na physical sa sarili, sa partner ko.
Do you have any response to that?
I understand. I respect his decision po.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I would like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
10 years from now, ano nakikita niyo sa sarili niyo?
Okay. May mga
Medyo
nape-pressure.
mahirap ba?
Okay, so let's start with you.
Hi, I'm Mao. I'm 28 years old and I work as a brand and marketing manager. My 10-year plan would be, I think, to work on my marketing agency, work on like as an entrepreneur, and then live in the mountain, like freelancing. So, yeah.
Ano daw? Sabi niya NPA. What the heck?
Joke lang.
Nature, because I'm a nature girly. So I like the peace of mind that it gives. So yun na, not the NPA naman.
Mami, pop ka niya. Okay. All right, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Isa. I am 27 years old. I'm an admin assistant. In 10 years, I'm probably 37 years old. So I want to move out at that time and probably have my own business. So I don't have to rely on my 9-to-5 job by that time. And maybe at 37, maybe have a child as well.
Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm 25 years old and I'm a dentistry student. So 10 years, in 10 years, probably owning dental clinics na. Yeah, and syempre, I'll be studying more para mas mapalawak ma-expand yung clinic.
Thank you. Oh, okay. All right, so let's go over here.
Hi, I'm Tans, 32 years old, and working as a freelance virtual assistant.
So bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi ako, straightforward lang kasi 32 na ako. So, since I'm a single mother na din, so, hindi ko sure if ako ba yung hinahanap mo or what. So, I just wanted the other girls na lang to do choose na lang. So, no, hindi ko naman dinadaw yung sarili ko since I'm a single mother. Maybe I wanted someone who's stable na rin.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So,
Yeah.
pero okay, you're okay naman.
Do you have any response to what she said? Agree ka ba sa kanya?
Actually, naligaw ako ng single mom.
So
Then-
open ka naman to single moms.
Why not, di ba? Kasi parang,
Ba't mo pinuunahan kasi?
nagpop na siya eh.
Do you want your balloon back? Final ka na ba doon? Ano? Balloon back or hindi?
Pero sa perspective din naman, that's okay for me.
Ano? So final na.
I'm firm with my decision naman. Yeah. But nice knowing you.
Nice knowing to you, man.
Okay, so lesson learned, wag unahan. So, based sa mga answers kanina, I would like you to choose one balloon to pop. Oh. Parang sakit. Okay, let's go over there. Hi, so bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Kasi I want to hear further kung ano yung sasabihin mo. And you look cute. Ayun. Yeah.
Type mo sana siya.
Yeah. Kasi anong height mo, kuya? Sorry.
5'8".
Oh, shucks.
5'8". Okay lang. Okay, and ikaw naman, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Feeling ko, masyadong mahirap ang medical field eh. So, feeling ko kailangan mo muna focus sa sarili mo. Everything, ganun. So,
Kami sa dentistry po kasi we are our own boss. So, kontrolado namin yung time namin.
may manage sa akin.
Yeah. But it's okay if ayaw mo sa akin.
Drama siya!
Parang gusto kong bawiin.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman na sana siya.
Oo, kaya lang nakulangan ako.
Okay. Okay.
Pero siguro naman ewan ko.
We'll
Siguro
see.
second chances. Bali, magkasalubong tayo sa labas, di ba?
Okay. Pasyente. Biglang, ikaw ngayon. Revenge eh.
Parang walang anesthesia ilalagay mo
Oo
sa
nga
akin.
eh. Parang gano'n na nga. Okay, so now we have 2 balloons left. So sila naman na mag-a-ask ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them.
I think I would return the question. So, since you've heard na our plans for the next 5 to 10 years, so what's your plan or your trajectory in terms of goal and personal goals mo in life for the next 5 to 10 years then?
So, currently kasi sa government ako nag-work, meron akong plan A, plan B, and plan C. So, the plan A is mag-pursue sa government. Sabihin natin pwede akong tumaas ang position and everything. Pero, hindi siya way kasi para yumaman ka or something mas malaking kitain mo. So, yung plan B ko is to establish a business, like agribusiness. Kasi, medyo parang extrovert. So, more on gusto ko magtanim or something na ganito, ganyan. So, the plan C ko naman is, daming pwede mangyari kasi sa buhay. So, kailangan, hindi ka mag-settle sa isang plano lang. Ayan. So, yung plan C ko naman, siguro mag-ibang bansa. Ayan. Kung hindi nag-workout ng buhay ko dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan.
So, what's your question for our sexy single?
Pwede 2 questions? Yeah. Okay, hi. Ano ba yun? Naisip ko yun kanina eh. What do you think about mental health?
Mental health. Last year, nag-meeting kami with mga congressmen and senators about mental health. Dati kasi hindi ako niniwala sa kanya as a strong personality guy. Pero yung humiwalay ako sa parents ko, living on my own, medyo na-depress ako. Ganun pala yun. So, hindi mo alam kung sinong tatamaan eh. Hindi mo alam kung kailan. So I think mental health is a big issue dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na kung ang sinasabi sa'yo ng magulang is, hindi, kailangan mo lang pumunta ng ganyan, lakasan mo lang ganyan. Marami nagpapakamatay at marami kailangan tulungan. Yun. So for me, mental health is a big issue dito sa Pilipinas.
And your second question?
What's your biggest red flag and your biggest green flag?
Siguro lahat naman tayo may red flag. Ewan ko lang kung aamin tayo, lahat na may red flag. So feeling ko ang red flag ko is mabilis ako maboard. If ever na, kunyari, naghahanap nga ako ng strong independent woman. So if ever na wala ka masyadong ginagawa, kasi ako mutable personality ako, so I willing to adjust kung ano yung trip mo. Kung wala kang trip sa buhay, wala din ako magagawa. So paano ko dodrawingan, paano ko kukulayan ng isang buhay kung wala ka din ginagawa sa buhay mo. So I easily get bored with someone na walang ginagawa sa buhay. Yeah.
And your green flag?
Green flag, teka, hindi ko pa naisip yun sa buhay.
Red flag mo naisip mo, hindi ka na-prepare sa green flag.
Green flag, siguro family-oriented. Ayun. Hindi naman ako religious person, pero nagiging religious person ako dahil sa magulang ko. So, I'm dating with my mom lagi para makita ko lang siya kasi magkahiwalay na nga kami. Yung father ko kahit medyo siya. Yan. So, yun lang siguro. Pero the rest, ewan ko kung green flag or blue.
Okay, so since walang nag-pop ng balloon sa kanilang dalawa, the floor is yours. I would like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Teka lang.
Oh!
Alright.
Okay, nauna na siya for you. Okay, so let's go back over here. So, bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
It's simply because if I want a partner in my life, I want them to be really adept with the knowledge of mental health. So based on his answer, parang nakukulangan ako. Especially me, I have mental health issues in my life. So I want someone na very, very, knowledgeable sa mga things na ganun.
Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
I'm looking forward na makatulong ako sa society because of mental health. Yun lang.
Okay, pero type mo sana siya.
Yeah. Maganda din. Lahat naman sila maganda.
Okay. So, we have 1 balloon left, so please join us over here. Okay. So, before we proceed with anything, I just want to ask if you guys have any final questions for each other.
Marunong ka ba magluto?
I love cooking. It's my passion. So, yeah.
Anong pagkain ang pinaka-paborito mong lutuin?
I mostly cook mga like pasta or like mga sandwiches. Filipino food, yeah, I also cook. But
Teka, pasta, Filipino food?
I mean, in variety.
Aside from that daw.
I have a lot of variety of food that I cook. So, depend naman kung anong taste mo for the day. So.
Ooh.
Mag-adjust naman pala. Okay, so wala nang final questions ha. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, I think I like his answers. It's giving emotional maturity. Yeah, so
And we like that.
as a sapiosexual person, yeah, it's yes.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Hindi ko masabi, hindi ko pa siya nakakasama. So,
But
siguro
for
ma'am,
now, are you going
For now,
to
yeah,
match with her?
Kasi kita ko yung ano niya eh. Kita ko yung pagkaseryoso niya din sa career niya. Yeah.
So, we have a pusoan match! Okay, please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Go ahead. Congratulations! All right, here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi!
Hello po. Hello. Hi po.
Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Arold Clemente. You can call me A for short. And I'm 32 years old. And I work in a telecommunications company. I'm a technician there.
Okay. And ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
For fun, I compose songs. I play instruments and also been traveling a lot lately. Yeah.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality or physical?
Personality na makikilala ko pa naman sila. So, more on siguro mahilig sa music.
Okay.
So, pwedeng maka-jamming. Tapos, at the same time, mahilig din gumala. Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Pinaka deal breakers lang naman lagi ng lalaki is yung walang katuturang away.
Okay.
Yun lang naman talaga yung gagawa yung babae ng away para lang may pag-awayan.
Okay. Oh no! And you're speaking for all men when you say that.
Naturally, may gano'n naman eh.
Okay. Well, right now, may mga nag-pop ng balloon. So let's go over here and ask them why they popped.
Hi, my name is Kat. I am 25 years old and I'm paralegal.
Bakit ka nag-pop bigla ng balloon?
Hindi ko lang nagustuhan. Siguro sa way ng pagsabi mo lang. Yung naghahanap ng away sa babae. Ayun lang. Hindi ko lang masyadong nagustuhan yung sagot mo. Yan lang naman.
Do you have any response to that?
Hindi, actually, hindi ko lang siya na-emphasize. Kumbaga yung away na yon is yung wala namang dapat pag-awayan pero magkakaroon ng away kahit na ikaw na yung nagsusorry pero gusto pa rin ng, yan, yung magpaliwanag ka ng kahit na gumaan lang yung pakiramdam niya, ganun.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Sa age din kasi, medyo na.
Alanganin.
Yes po.
Okay. How about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Apo. Yun lang po.
Okay. Sayang. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Isa. I'm 27 years old and I'm an admin assistant. I popped my balloon because same sentiments as her. I think you should have, like, for me as a person, parang I feel like you should have more patience when it comes to dealing with arguments, ganyan. Pero I think I popped my balloon too early kasi hindi pa siya nakapagsalita na masyado eh. And I think na-pressure lang ako sa iba kaya napinap ko din siya.
Well, do you want to change your mind? Do you want your balloon back or...
Yeah.
Okay. Balloon daw. Balloon! Okay, so I'll come back to you later since nag-balloon back ka.
I'm Joyce. I'm 25 years old and I'm a dentistry student. So the reason why I popped my balloon kasi na-trigger ako dun sa sa sinabi mo na humahanap ng away. I mean, hindi kami naghahanap ng away kung wala kaming nakikitang mali sa ginagawa mo. It's just guys are dense. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung nagawa nilang mali. So, I don't know if they will agree with me. Pero yung mga babae kasi may makikita silang like may mali doon. Though, yes, yung babae minsan hindi nila sinasabi kung ano yung nakikita nilang mali. So, ang babae mabilis lang naman silang suyuin eh. Like, sorry. Pero yung kung sorry na lumalabas sa ilong, hindi talaga. Yeah. Choose your words or ganun sana para, maging okay din sana. Ayun.
Ano namang response mo dun?
Response ko doon kasi, kaya ako lang naman din nasabing, kasi yun yung deal breaker kapag nakilala mo lang siya in the first date.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya through all the date na yun na yung pinaka, kasi possible kahit naman maging kami, magkakaroon ng away. Hindi naman mawawala yun. Pero yung bago pa lang kayo, tas syempre may ganun na agad, deal breaker siya. So yun yung parang explanation ko doon.
Hindi ba pag first date, hindi naman gagawa ng ganong klaseng away yung babae? Kasi, syempre, first date, so you're gonna please the other person muna before pumasok doon yung mga away and kaganapan ganon. So, yeah, walang nag-aaway ata sa first date, not unless na is to that person out. So, but it's okay. That's your preference. Okay lang.
Baka eventually lang yung sinasabi mo, no? Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya if not for that?
So aside from that is the age. Kasi he's 32 and I'm still 25. So gusto ko pa mag-aral and feeling ko si Kuya is on, I don't know if you wanna marry na, pero you're on the marrying age. So, ayun lang po.
Do you agree with that? Nasa marrying age ka na ba? Or exploring pa ba?
Medyo malapit na rin, syempre.
Okay.
So,
Pero
mag-settle.
type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes po. Wala naman pong masama din.
Okay. Walang masama
Hindi,
doon.
no. Mali yung term ko. So, lahat naman po is magaganda po.
Okay, thank you.
I'm Zinzi. I am 23. I'm a working student.
And bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
One reason is yung age. I think like he's too old for me. Kasi 32 and I'm 23. And pangalawa, feel ko mas magkakabarkada vibes na kukuha ko sa kanya. Yes.
Any specific reason kung bakit barkada vibe yung na-feel mo sa kanya?
Siguro, may ano kasi ako, parang close kasi ako sa mga tito ko or like mga...
Wait lang, akala ko barkada, ba't naging tito?
Same, magkaano lang po kasi ng age bracket yung tito ko. So, medyo barkada vibes yung nakukuha ko. And nung pumasok po siya, parang nakita ko po, parang relative ko siya. Ganun. And ano po kasi ako, parang feel ko, like the energy he brought when he came in, parang feel ko, yun nga, pang tropa.
Akala ko yun nga, pantito.
Pang tropa. And I think na, ayun, mahilig din kasi ako sa music. But, yun, din. And also, nung sinabi niya, valid naman yung sinabi niya na yung sa away-away, something like that. I'm also the type of person, ayoko rin ng away. But, may reason, tama, yung sinabi na, may reason kung bakit nagagalit talaga yung babae. And sometimes, masyadong patient na nga yung mga babae na umabot sa point na hinintay pa nila na sasabog. But, yeah, valid naman yung preference niya. Ganun.
Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman.
Tito?
Tumangke. Shot tayo mamaya.
Oh my God.
Meron niya mamaya. Jamming the shot. Ganun.
Tanduay pa daw.
Tito.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes po.
Oh, type ka naman pala eh. Tropa vibes. Tropa/tito.
Hello, I'm Judith, but you can call me JD. I am a RPA dev and a secretary in the morning, and I'm 33 years old.
So, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Yung vibes niya, parang tropa. Yung tropa.
Sanay din talaga.
Anong specific na, ano bang meron sa kanya na feel mo tropa vibe bigla?
Yung ano niya, yung pananamit, pananalita, yung paggalaw. Parang yung
Yung buong pagkatao niya ba?
parang pinsan ko, ganun.
Ano ka ba?
At least pinsan, hindi na tito.
Yeah.
Kuya.
Hindi, actually, kaya siguro yung ganun yung vibe. Kasi tourism graduate ako. So, mostly babae yung mga klase ko tsaka naging kaibigan ko.
So, parang
Minsan ako yung
nakakatropa girls.
nagkikilay.
Sige nga, pasample
Eme lang.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya? Type mo naman ba
Yes
sana
po,
siya?
yes po.
Oh, okay. Alright, sure ka na sa answer mo?
Opo. My name is Jaya. I'm 31 years old. I work in a BPO company.
Okay, and ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Ayun din po yung reason na yung sa mababaw na pag-aaway ba? Tama ba? Kasi ang babae din kasi is very emotional. So, may times talaga na tinotoyo talaga kaming mga babae. So, maganda sana at the early stage of dating, how you handle conflicts din. Yan din po. So, sana, ayun, maganda na siya sa simula pa lang.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if not for that?
Okay lang po. Paras kami tourism graduate. And okay naman po siya. May kamukha siyang anime.
Anime naman. Sinong anime?
Yung recently lang, sa Netflix.
Yung solo leveling.
Di ko natanda yung name. Basta may kamukha siyang anime.
Okay.
Cute po siya.
Cute naman.
Oo.
Okay. Ano namang response mo sa sinabi niya?
Yung pagka-handle, siguro sa first, hindi naman totally mahirap i-handle yung sa ganong situation kung meron reason yung pag-aaway. Pero yun nga, sinasabi ko yung mababaw, like, pag-aaway nyo, saan tayo kakain? Pag nag-decide kami, minsan ayaw nyo. Pag di-decide din namin kayo, sasabihin nyo, kami yung pipili. Minsan, ang mahirap siyang i-determine pag ganun. So, pagtatalunan, pag ganun. Sabihin nyo, hindi kayo marunong mag-decide sa inyo, pero ayaw nyo naman. Ganun siya.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman ako. That is, comment.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes. Yes po, yes po.
Okay. And do you have any response to sinabi niyang anime?
Hindi ko alam kung anong anime.
Wala naman.
yun.
Okay, so right now we have we have one balloon left. Okay. So let's go back over here. Hi. Bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
So I listened to what he said as he talked to each girl. Parang hindi lang ako satisfied. And I feel like hindi kami bagay. And I feel like if ever maging kami, hindi kami magka-vibe enough.
Do you have any response to that?
Wala po.
Nag-agree ka ba sa sinasabi niya na baka hindi kayo mag-match?
Baka mag-vibe tayo.
Ay, ibang vibe yan. Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Yes po.
Oh, okay.
Ang cute po niya.
Oh, but you're set on your decision na. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, so we have one balloon left. So let's go over here. Please join us. Okay, so before we proceed, meron ba kayong mga final questions for each other? Ikaw, meron ka bang final questions para sa kanya?
So, hesitant pa kasi ako eh. So, since sinabi mo, parang nasa gala stage ka pa, parang more on exploring pa.
Hindi siya exploring. More on relaxation lang. Like, gusto ko lang ng city lights or beach. Pag gusto ko magpahinga galing from work.
So, ang akin kasi, since I'm a single mother, so, hesitant ako sa, baka hindi ako maka-vibe sa gusto mong gumala or what. So, what's your outlook from like me na single mother na minsan hindi makapunta into places because I have to take care of my kids.
Hindi, sama natin sila. Di ba? Yun lang yun eh.
Ay, ang cute!
Hindi mo pwedeng iwan eh. Siyempre, anak mo yun eh. So, imbis na maiwan ka at ako lang gumala, edi sama na lang natin sila.
Aww.
Ganun lang yan eh.
Okay, and how about from your end? Meron ka pa bang final question para sa kanya?
Actually ako, meron din akong background. So, meron din akong anak na, pero hindi ko siya nakita ever since nung naghiwalay kami ng ex ko. So, yun lang.
Okay ka naman dun.
Pero ano yun, dito na talaga nagkwento. Kasi I want to more, I want to know, kasi ako kasi iniwan since buntis. So hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang may fault or yung girl ang may gusto. Or
Ayoko magkwento kasi, syempre, side ko lang yung maririnig nyo. So, more to that, kung match pa tayo. So, doon ko na lang siya ikukwento. Hindi na broadcast.
Sabi ko nga eh.
Okay, oo nga naman. Now I'm gonna ask you guys. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure po, sure.
Okay, we have a butuan match! Okay, please take each other's hand. Go ahead to your happily ever after. Holding hands naman.
Hello, pala.
Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single. Hi!
Hi.
All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Vincent Lee. I'm 24 years old.
Okay, and anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm currently in marketing.
Okay, and what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I like to eat. Well,
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm very competitive, so I love sports.
Okay, all right. May mga hindi competitive dyan. Okay, so ano na mga hanap po sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical?
For me naman, physical looks is not that important.
Okay.
What's more important is what's inside of a person.
All right, so what kind of personality, if ever?
I like someone who is very fun to talk to, funny, finds me funny, very kind.
How about mga deal breakers? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
I don't really have deal breakers. Like, who am I to judge? Like,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so right now, may mga nag-pop ng balloon. So let's just go over there and find out kung ba't sila nag-pop. Okay? Oh, okay. So let's start with you.
Hi, I'm Isa. I'm 27 years old. I'm an admin assistant. It's just the age. I prefer someone older than me or my age.
Pero other than that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Okay. And how about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya? Or do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
Well, I can't change the age, so but yeah, she's pretty naman.
Hi, I'm Judith, but you can call me JD. I'm RPA developer and a secretary. And
So, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
age because I'm already 34, you're 24, right?
Okay.
That's why baka madagdagan yung anak ko eh.
Ayaw mo ba nun? Marami kang alagaan, ganon.
Oh, ayoko na yun. Ang hirap.
Type mo naman ba sana siya? Kung hindi mo siya. Ay, okay, wait lang. Woo, ito naman kasi. Okay, compose. Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Actually, looks nice. Pero kasi yung age talaga, ganun. Matangkad, ganun. Yung age talaga niya, ganun.
Okay naman sana yung age lang. How about on your end? Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
No. Well, yeah, age again. I can't do anything.
Okay, so same lang din. Pero
Yep.
type mo naman ba sana siya, if not for the age?
Well, yeah, she's pretty.
Do you mean that? Or
No, because
Okay.
she's older, so
yeah, okay.
like, yeah.
Alright. Hi, I'm Jaya. I'm 31 years old. I work in a BPO company.
And ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Nag-pop po ako ng balloon because of his age din po. I'm 31 na po and hindi lang din sa age. Medyo young looking po talaga si Kuya.
So type mo mas mature in physical and in age?
Yes.
Okay. And how about on your end? Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
No naman.
Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. All right. Well, final ka na sa decision mo?
Yes po. Final na po.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I would like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, my name is Kat. I am 25 years old and I'm a paralegal. So, usually, ang ginagawa ko pag free time ko is nanonood ng movies with my friends, yan. Usually, weekends yun eh. Yung may time ako sa mga ganong bagay.
Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm 25 years old and I'm a dentistry student. So on my free time, I usually hang out with my cousins, my friends. Basta I like going out. Tapos I dance din. Tapos dental missions since I'm a dentistry student nga. So, ayun pa.
I'm Zinzi. I am 23 and I'm a working student. I do a lot of things. First, kapag tinatamad akong lumabas, I read a lot. Like, kahit na mga articles or like books na tambak. Second, if gusto kong lumabas, I go to cafes and read din doon. Sometimes I go out to explore new places. And more on active din. For pag active na activities, siguro on Muay Thai, martial arts. Ang dami ko naiisip eh, pero yun na lang siguro yung sasabihin ko.
So based on those answers, I would like you to choose 1 balloon to pop. Okay, let's go over here. Hi, so bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Pasok naman siya sa age range na gusto ko in a relationship. And so far, okay naman yung mga sagot niya. So, kaya hindi pa ako nagpa-pop ng balloon.
So type mo sana siya?
Yeah.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Well, compared to the other answers, I don't like being at home all the time.
Okay.
So if we're always watching movies at home, I'd get bored. But that's my
Gusto mo mas outdoor activities?
Yeah, I like to go out. I like to hang out with friends. So I don't like to be at home all the time.
Oh, okay. Alright, pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, she's pretty.
Hi, bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Na-realize ko kasi, konti na lang pala kami. Tapos, sabi ko, sorry, kasi it's about the age. Kasi I'm 25 and you're 24. Though 1 year lang naman. Pero my brother is 24 years old. Tapos, kasi, since I'm the eldest, so feeling ko, naturally, ang mangyayari, magiging ate mo ako, ganun. Parang bigla
That's true.
kitang aalagaan, ganun. And ayoko na nun kasi ako na yung eldest. Ako naman yung alagaan niya, please. Char. Physical-wise, yes. Type ko siya. Pero, ayun lang, it's just the age. Ayun.
How about you? Do you agree sa sinabi niya?
Well, I wish I can change my age.
I'm so sorry. Pero would you treat her as an ate? Dahil nga yung brother niya ka-age mo daw? Do you think
No
magiging
naman,
ganun
because
yung case?
my sister's like 25. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Yun eh,
So parang ganun din.
Well, actually, yeah, maybe.
Oh, okay. Pero type mo naman na sana siya.
Yeah, she's pretty.
All right. And set ka na dun sa answer mo?
Yeah. You're good looking as well.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Okay, so before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? Let's start with you. Do you have any final questions?
Pang ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
Sorry?
Pang ilan ka daw sa magkakapatid?
We're only 2, so I have one sister lang.
Oh. Okay.
That's all? Okay.
How's your relationship with your parents?
Well, we always have family time, like every Sunday. Aside from that, yeah, we get along well. Like, I always try to make time for family, not just friends.
Okay. Hindi, bawal na eh. Hindi, joke. Okay, go.
No, kasi I think this is a very important question then. Ano yung religion mo?
I'm Christian.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I thought she was gonna pop. Okay. Oh, no! Okay. All right. So, bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Sorry, hindi ko na kasi na-clarify. What, Christian? Like,
Christian, like born again.
Catholic or... Oh, okay, born again.
I'm sorry. I'm very particular po sa religion kasi I'm Roman Catholic. Although it's not a big deal naman sa beliefs, it's just that it's gonna be hard kasi ang difference ng beliefs. Yes. And I'm very respectful din on that end. So yeah, I don't think we are gonna match on that level.
Okay. Do you have any response to that? Do you agree with her?
Yeah, because I'm Christian also, and I know Christian and Catholic are very different. I mean, it's same, but yeah, different.
All right. Well, thank you so much. And thank you so much for joining.
All right, thank you.
Unfortunately, we have no match today, but I hope you can join us again in our other episodes.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan!